Gardens across the country tend to be neglected throughout the cooler months, but when the weather warms up, the sun comes out and homeowners want to spend more time utilizing their outdoor spaces. But they are often left scrambling for ways to tidy up their dejected gardens. Summer is the peak time of year for outdoor living and entertaining. When gardens look flat and lifeless, it can hinder homeowners from enjoying their outdoor areas to their fullest potential. Make a list of things that need to be done in your garden, then start small and slowly work up to the bigger, more labor-intensive projects. This can make the task feel less intimidating, and can help gardening rookies ease their way into landscaping. Begin with simple things like raking leaves, pulling up weeds, and trimming back bushes and hedges to the desired size. When the garden is looking a little bit tidier, it is important to identify plants before adding, taking away or moving anything. The key to a thriving garden is knowing how to fuel it. Knowing what plants you are working with will help homeowners use the right types of soil and fertilizer, recognize when weeds pop up, and figure out how to maintain the greenery. If adding any new plants, thoroughly research the plant to make sure it's safe for pets and children, and that it will grow well with the other species in your garden. Once the garden has been restored to its former glory, homeowners can then spruce up the outdoor area with other additions such as furniture, barbecue facilities, a pergola, or decking space, which can all work to elevate the look and feel of the outdoor space.